What's up guys, welcome back to virtual reality. Today I have some cool equipment for the Oculus Quest. You know the Quest, this is the Quest, and this is a special head strap that the Oculus Quest is more comfortable. You can wear it like the PlayStation VR then. This is very interesting. So I will assemble this now and then I will tell you how that works and if it's really more comfortable and of course if it's worth the price. My name is Voodoo. You can find everything about VR and AR on this channel, so subscribe to the bell and don't miss anything. Thanks to my sponsors VoodooDE, VR, Opermann Events, Peter Wassmeister, Ronix, Anni Felser and VR Ambassador. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go!
VoodooDE.
Okay guys, and here it is. This is the Oculus GoQuest and I assembled that now, and it is a little bit tricky to remove the original strap. So you really have to pull this from outside here very hard. You have to pull it very hard so that it gets out here. But I attached a video in the comments below and in the description below how that works. The developer of this thing has made a very cool video, so I don't need to show it again. Just go in the description and you will find how to attach this. And this is how it looks. So it looks like a PlayStation VR a little bit. And here we have a knob that we can rotate and then it's getting loose or tight. And we can even lock this button if you push it like this, and then we can't move it anymore. So this is locked to your individual position. Very, very cool. Look at this. That's nice. And now I show you how you put it on your head. So for me, I have this alien skull. I have a very big skull, and this is a little bit annoying sometimes. So I have to do it on the maximum position, then put that up, then find the best position on your head. Give me a second, like this. Then put it down here, then unlock it and screw it and push it again. So here we go. And that's really, really interesting because I can tell you this is much more comfortable, as you perhaps expected, than the original strap, because the weight is spread above your forehead here and the back of your head. It's spread over your whole head. This is really much better than the original strap where all the weight is on your face. Really cool. The only thing is that I can see is that when I shake my head very fast, then it's a little bit loose here, a little bit more than with the original strap. But normally you don't do like this in VR. You do like this, and there's not a problem to do that. You can adjust a lot of stuff here. You can push these little things here forward and backward, and you can go closer to your face or even back like this. So you can wear glasses under that. It's even possible. Yeah, so this is really, really much more comfortable. So if you want to remove it, just unlock that, put it up and then remove it. And now you can see, look at the red parts here on my head. This is where it sits on your forehead. It's very red here, but this is not a problem because the area where it sits on your forehead is very big, and also on the back of your head. This is really good, much better than the original strap. And it looks like it's very it's okay from the quality. This is very comfortable. It's leather material and some parts are 3D printed like this one, but this is not a problem for me. It's really cool. So yeah, however guys, if you want to reattach the original strap, this is a little bit tricky because you have to insert this again here, and you have to use a needle to get this out of this little hole here if you want to reattach this. However, I also have a video for this from the developer. It's in the description below, so check this out. Yeah, that's the GoQuest, guys. And now let's talk about the price, how and where you get it, and if it's worth it, of course. Okay guys, and here we are on the homepage of the company. It's called GoQuestVR.com, and here you can see some pictures. This is the attachment video, what I told you, but it's also linked under the video in the description. And yeah, there is a special announcement here. For non-special head types, we recommend that you use non-rotatable accessories that give you a wear experience close to PlayStation VR. What they mean is this here. So I can rotate it here because I have an alien skull. But if you want to have that fixed, there comes 2 attachment brackets here with a screwdriver. Then you can unscrew this screws and then it's fixed. It will be like this, like the PlayStation VR. You cannot rotate it anymore. You can choose whatever you want. You can do that. Yeah, and now let's go for the price. It's $58. So when we compare it to the deluxe audio strap, it's 99 or $100 plus tax. So we are at like 110 or whatever. And this is nearly double the price of this one. Of course, you have the audio experience as well. But if you don't need it, if you use your own headphones, or if you just are good with the built-in audio from the Quest, you can use this one. It's very comfortable. If you already tried the PlayStation VR and you think that PlayStation VR is comfortable, this is also definitely very comfortable for you. If you don't like the comfort of the PlayStation VR, you should not buy it because it's pretty the same experience. For me, it's very comfortable. It's spread it around the whole head and not like the original strap only on your face. And let's check out how much shipping costs. So let's add it to the cart. The page is sometimes a little bit slow. For now it's okay. So let's go to our cart, view cart, and then I have some special for you. Give me 1 second. So here we go. So we have $68 including shipping. It says shipping to Germany, but I'm pretty sure it's the same price to the United States. So if you are in a hurry, you can even spend $20 to get it in 3 to 5 days, and then it will be on 78, of course. But for the patient people, just use the standard shipping. You will have $68 all in all. But I have something special for you. I talked to the developer and they gave me a coupon code that reduces the price from 68 to 60. $8 less. This is cool, or? I have no advantages from that. I will not get any money if you buy that. It's just for you. I just talked to them that you will get a discount. So yeah, that's it. Then go to proceed to checkout and then it should be fine. So do I recommend this? Yes, I do, because for me it's more comfortable than the original strap. But if you dislike the PlayStation VR comfort, do not buy it. Perhaps you can, what the heck? Oh yeah, the screw, I didn't fix the screw. Fix the screw, this is very important. So for the people that have the PlayStation VR or can try it somewhere, try it first and then you should know if that's okay for you. So for me, this is really great. It's really very comfortable, but yeah, check out the videos how you attach and disattach that, and that's it. So guys, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You will see a lot of VR and AR stuff, and thanks for all the viewers. I hope so, and check out the links in the description below for the coupon code, for the videos, and for the shopping link, of course. Thanks. See you next time. See ya.
VoodooDE